I believe strategy is the most misunderstood concept in the corporate world. When we talk about strategy, we talk about long-term planning, and multiple aspects. But in my perspective, when I see strategy, I think that strategy is my winning choices that I'm taking to stay in the market. Technically, when I see strategy from the perspective of competition. And it's not a competition like cricket or football competition where one team is winning and another team is losing. It's a competition where one company is earning more profit, more revenue, more shareholder value than the other one. So in this context, when I talk about the strategy, we need to see as an organization how we are designing, I would say, strategy in current environment. Because previously we used to say that our strategy is for 5 years, our strategy is for long term. But right now you cannot develop a strategy which is going to be for 5 years. You have to develop a strategy in multiple horizons as recommended by McKinsey, that you have a short-term strategy which is going to be effective for say 2 to 3 years. And then we have another horizon where we're calling about the mid-term horizon, and our strategy is for 3 to 5 years, and then a long-term horizon where we talk about 5+ years. And each horizon will see that how we are going to balance our organization, our services, our products. So let's talk about myself. When I talk about my short-term strategy, I talk about how I'm going to exploit more value and how earn more value by doing the project management and agile project management trainings. But when I see the mid-term strategy, I need to focus more on program management, that how I am focusing on program management and how I am focusing on selling not just the PgMP certification but also linking that program management with the corporate startup. So that's how I'm working out right now, but the time that I'm giving is different. And then the long-term strategy is that how I focus on fully corporate startup, giving the consultancy, talking about environment, and taking care of the equity shares and move on. So if you understand this model, it will be easier for you to understand where your company initiative or where your project and program that you are leading stands. That will also help you to get the resources on time, to get the priority, to get the funds, and set a clear expectations. So those who are leading projects, those who are leading so-called strategic projects and programs, they need to understand the strategy first, that what is actually your organization's strategy and what is the concept of a strategy in your organization and how your project and program is aligned. So if you want to understand strategy components and the type of strategy you are using, you can join our program management for corporate startup workshop. Thank you.